Want to get money from your insurance company just for being a prepper? Hello, YouTube family. I made this video, that one right there, about 7 months ago. It was about the EMP shield versus the trap. Now, before you run away, I want to tell you something. You're going to be able to, if you own a home, you got to know this. You got to know this like right now. I had a comment, came out of nowhere, and I'm just going to go ahead and play it for you right now.
I've never heard of a trap, but I do have an EMP shield on my home. I have never experienced an EMP, but within 48 hours of installing the EMP shield, we had a hell of a lightning storm in my area and a strike did hit a neighbor's house. They had to replace over $30,000 in household appliances, including central AC heat unit. The neighbor who took the hit is just a few houses down. We had a surge and lost power for a few minutes but were otherwise fine. The week after I installed it, I had reason to speak to homeowners insurance and mentioned it in passing. A few days later, I received a $468 check from my insurance because I was due a discount for installing whole house surge protection. Basically, my EMP shield paid for itself instantly. Because of this personal experience, I trust the EMP shield.
Now, what did we learn from this? It's actually pretty simple. You can get money back from your insurance company if you purchase one of these EMP shield devices. I'll put a link below. You can decide what you want to do and you can go from there. And if you want to support the channel, I'll put a link down below there and you can peruse around on that link tree thing there and figure out what you want to do. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you.